Intivix came when we were looking for a consultant to help us migrate from Novell Network to Microsoft Network. And so that was around 10 years ago, almost 10 years ago. And that went very, very smoothly. And from there on, onward and upward. IT strategy partner, they always give us abreast of what the new technology out there is. In terms of, we used to have 22 servers, and now we're down to 6, so they help us with the virtualization.
Consolidating things.
Yeah, consolidating our infrastructure, and they help us with the move. That's a big item right there. And also, and then going forward, we're looking forward to moving to Office 365. Well, disaster recovery is always, in our IT task list, but it always gets, buried. But because of, with the help of Intivix, they help us with our disaster recovery plan, where they develop, create a DR site for us. And then every year, we do an actual DR test, where if there's a failover, all our files are still intact, current files are still intact, all the services are still available. And so I think that plays, one of our IT goals is disaster recovery, and also the network maintenance of our servers. Instead of us, making time doing the patches and making sure all our desktops are all up to date and things like that, they have, tools that pushes down to desktops just to standardize all our workstations. So they're all uniform, all our servers are up to date. They're really very knowledgeable, their expertise is, they have so many different types of levels. They have, the help desk up to, strategy and how we should plan out the next new thing, and they have 24/7 support. They're always, they answer the phone right away, they help you right away, they follow up with you. You have a daily report on the ticket. They have a very good ticketing system that, always know what's going on. And they also provide reports at the end of the month. And I can tell you how many tickets you have open, the health of our network, the health of our desktops. They, it indicates like who needs patches and things like that. So in terms of customer service, excellent. Yes, I would recommend Intivix because we've been very happy with their customer service, their IT technology, strategic innovation. They're always up to breast on what's going out there, and they forward it to us and say, hey, this is the latest thing, I think you should look into it. They work with our needs and our budget, which is very important coming from a nonprofit. So, we developed this plan, and if within the budget, and we just go for it. And there's so many projects that we have accomplished over the last 10 years, and so we are where we are right now because of them.